Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the structure of platelet in detail. First is the membrane structure. Surface glycoprotein serves as receptor facilitate the platelet adhesion and contraction and determine the expression of specific platelet antigens and antigen share with other formed elements. Next is the canalicular systems. There are numerous investigations of the platelet surface and interspersed among these structure. A set of narrower channels termed the dense tubular system. Dense tubular system is the major site for the storage of calcium positive and the location of the cyclooxygenase. There are the cytoskeleton microtubules. Next is the system of the contractile proteins granules. First is the protein granules, dense body, ADP, ATP, GDP, serotonin, secretable calcium, alpha granules, platelet specific protein, TF4, thromboglobulin, PDGF, thrombospondin, homologous or plasma protein, fibrinogen, fibrinoactin, albumin. Next is the dense tubular system. Prostaglandins converting the enzyme proctet. There are the contractile calcium, peroxisomes, catalase, lysosomes, acid hydrolase. Next is the function. The function that is the hemostasis, blood coagulation, phagocytosis, storage and transport of substance. Next is the events in the hemostasis. Spasm in the damaged smooth muscles. Injury, that is the vascular phase. Next phase, that is the platelet phase. In this phase, platelet aggregations and adhesion. Next is the events in the hemostasis. Intrinsic pathway, platelet, thromboplastin, common pathway, prothrombin and thrombin, fibrinogen, fibrin, tissue thromboplastin, clotting factor R comes in this phase, that is the tissue factor, are all responsible for the coagulations. Coagulation phase, activation of the clotting system and the clot formation, clot retraction. Next phase, that is the clot destruction. There are the formation of a plasmin and in the both side of the injury. This is the enzymatic destruction of clot, contraction of the blood clot, and there are the process of the hemostasis. In this, there are the two pathway are involved, that is the intrinsic pathway, and also there involved the clotting factor, that is the factor 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are the platelet factors. Next are the extrinsic pathway. In this, there are the tissue thromboplastin are produce the clotting factor due to clotting factor 7 and also produce the calcium and then produce the plasmin. In today's class, I discuss about the function and platelet granule structure of platelet. Thank you for watching.